Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Winston, and I just want to start this video off by saying Happy New Year. Today is January 1st, 2025, and I want to go ahead and get the year started with recording a brand new video, and just make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so it's the beginning of the year, so I know everybody is going to have some new goals, some new resolutions, some New Year's resolutions, and I know that everybody who is going to be trading, they're probably going to come up with a game plan and come up with some goals and things of that nature. So for this video, I actually want to go ahead and talk about a website that I have used before, and it's called BabyPips. It's babypips.com. And BabyPips is a website where you can go to sign up for a free course. They do have a free course, and it is called I think it's called the School of Pipsology, if I'm not mistaken. But they do also have some other resources on there that I have not used before. I know that they recently added a section on there talking about crypto, and they do have a forum section, so you can actually talk to other people that are interested in trading, that want to use the website as well. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about some key points about the website, and I'm going to be talking about mainly the course. Okay, so I actually wanted to let you all know that I had to re-record a large portion of this video because when I was editing the first part, or when I was editing the first version of this video, it did not record. It only recorded the audio. So in that first video, I actually was talking along with the screen recording that I did, but I'm going to just have to put up screenshots of the actual website itself and just give the main points of the website from the screenshots. This is the homepage of BabyPips. So I'm just gonna kind of go over this first page. So as you can see, they have some tabs up here at the top. The Learn Forex tab is actually where you will go to the School of Pipsology. That is where you can sign up for the free course. But like I was saying, that they have some other things on here like Learn Crypto, and then here is the forum section. And, they have some other sections as well, calendar tools. But yeah, this is the home page, and I'm just going to scroll through and kind of look at some things. So you have the top trading strategy, psychology lessons. Now, of course, everybody knows trading psychology is very important, so you might want to take a look at that. And then they also have the US dollar recap of 2024 and some other things that are down here. This kind of looks like something new. It says meat market milk. Looks like it's a new feature that they have on there. So it's actually been a while since I've used this website, but yeah, you can actually go in here and create an account. I actually am signed in right now, but what I want to pretty much focus on is the School of Pipsology. So yeah, this is where you can find the School of Pipsology. I just want to go ahead and go over some of the main points of the School of Pipsology. So the first thing that I want to mention is BabyPips does offer beginner-friendly content. The BabyPips course, known as the School of Pipsology, is designed for absolute beginners. It breaks down complex Forex concepts into easy-to-understand lessons, making it perfect for those with no prior trading experience. So at the top, you'll see a section that says Learn Forex. If you hover over that and then go over to where it says Forex Glossary, and then you'll click on the purple button that says Go to Forexpedia. That is actually where you will find some of the Forex terms that you will learn about. Here on the glossary, you can actually search and browse some of the terms, or you can look through some of the terms as they're listed alphabetically. The second thing that I wanted to mention is the structured learning path. The course is organized like a school, starting with preschool level basics and progressing through elementary, middle, and high school levels, all the way to the advanced topics in graduation. This structure ensures a step-by-step approach to mastering Forex. So there's a total of 364 lessons, and each lesson is organized with a course outline. And as you go through the course, each lesson will be marked off as complete. So, for example, as you can see, I have the preschool section pulled up. To the left is where your progress bar is, and to the right is the course outline. And pretty much all of my course outlines are checked off except for the second one. You would start with preschool, then you will go to kindergarten, then so on and so forth. The third thing that I wanted to mention is interactive and engaging lessons. Lessons include illustrations, quizzes, and examples to keep learners engaged. The use of humor and simple language makes learning enjoyable and less intimidating. On this screenshot, you can see where it has a bunch of Z's up at the top with a emoji at the end. Basically, what happened here was the previous lesson was about the history of Forex. So, the history of Forex is kind of boring. Nobody really cares about it. But on this one, it says, boring, show me how to make money already. And then it has a picture of the guy on the right. So yeah, it'll have all these illustrations and it'll actually make jokes throughout the lessons just to, kind of keep it more interesting. All right, practical trading concepts. BabyPips covers essential trading topics like technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. It also introduces advanced strategies and tools like Fibonacci retracements and candlestick patterns. During the elementary section, that is probably where you're going to get most of that. So as you can see on the course outline, it has support and resistance levels, Japanese candlesticks, Fibonacci moving averages, and other popular indicators. And I would say that this is going to be pretty important to learn because if you're going to be like a technical analysis type of trader, this is going to be where you will get pretty much most of the information that you'll need. Then the last thing that I wanted to talk about is the community support and tools. So this is kind of outside of the course. So beyond the course, BabyPips offers a supportive community of traders in its forums, a position size calculator, and other tools to help traders make informed decisions. So if you look at the top, you will find that section that says tools, and that is where you will find the calculators. And I went ahead and actually tried this out. So the first thing that I wanted to do is the position size calculator. But as you can see, they also have they actually have three other calculators. But I went ahead and used the position size calculator to kind of give an example of how that works. So what you'll basically do is type in all of the information under the left where it says account and currency. So you'll select your account currency. You'll go ahead and put in the account balance, risk percentage, stop loss in pips, and then the currency pair that you're going to trade. And then after you click calculate, it'll give you the results on the right. So in this situation, the risk would be $75. The position size would be the 21,000 units. And then, of course, it'll give you the lots at the bottom. I also wanted to give the market hours visualizer a try. And basically the visualizer is just a chart that will actually give you a time frame of the different sessions that the Forex market offers. So I went ahead and pulled it up and then it gives you the Forex market time zone converter. So this pretty much will give you a live look at the time zones that are currently active. So during the time of this video, it was 6:31, and the time zone that would be active is Sydney, the Sydney session, and then the next session that is coming up would be the Tokyo session, which the Sydney and Tokyo overlap during that time. So I also wanted to go over the community aspect of BabyPips. So if you click on forums, it'll actually bring up the actual forums and topics that other people that use the website have any type of questions or any type of concerns. So on the left, you can see where it says categories. So they have beginning questions, trading discussions, and anything of that nature. I do think they also have some things that will alert you about any type of scams because scams are very popular in the Forex community. So just be aware of that. You can also come on here to verify any type of scam information. So yeah, the community aspect is definitely something that you could check out. And I went ahead and clicked on one of the topics, which was the beginner questions. So here it'll show you all of the beginner questions that everybody has. So I think this is pretty neat. I highly suggest you to check this out if you are a beginner, and definitely give BabyPips a try. Alright, you all, that is going to be the end of the video. I hope that you all got some good information from this, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.